Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix Thermomix TM6 error codes 55, 56 and 110 that says scales deactivated. These error codes sometimes appear. The reason isn't really well known, but the only fix that you may perform yourself is restart the machine. It's best to restart it in do a deeper restart, which means press and hold on the button to turn the device off. Once the screen shuts off fully and also the status lights on top of the display, then wait additional 5 seconds and unplug it from the power outlet. So I'll do it now. Once it's unplugged, press and hold on the button for 10 to 15 seconds. Then release the button and now plug it in back to power. Then press on the button to turn the device on. That should fix the issue. If it didn't, then you may need to contact the after-sales service because it may be a deeper issue. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.